Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Faith Leondo the Chef. Karibuni sana to my videos once again. So guys, today I'm making chicken taco, and here I have my breast chicken, and I have lemon, I have there cumin, black pepper, I have paprika there, and I have curry powder. So guys, as you can see here, I have my yogurt, I have my salt there, and but I have garlic. So guys, these are my breads, but I'm frying them. Now this is how they are. So I'm just frying a little, not so much, kiasi tu. Then here I have my soya, but I used it yesterday, so I just put some oil. So what I'm doing, I've already put my onion, it's cooking. So these are my onions na nilikata zikiwa mrefu. Yeah, so you can use, like, you can cook the onions, or unaweza iweka kama kachumbari on top, but I just love it when I cook a little. So I start with my lemon. Unaweza pia tumia your hands kama your hands are clean. Then I'm going to add my yogurt, just 3 spoons. So guys, after mixing all the ingredients, hivi ndo kuku yangu inakaa. And now I'm going to add in the onions. So guys, chicken yangu is ready here, and I have cucumber here, and I have tomatoes there. I have my sauce, guys. So my sauce, I add some yogurt, fresh yogurt, tomato sauce, and garlic. Yeah, and 1 spoon of mayonnaise. So this is it. I just blend. Yeah. So they are all ready. It's time to fold them. Yeah. So stay tuned and see the results. And here we have our tandoori chicken. I see you next time in my next video. Bye guys.